Welcome back, guys, to another video on Super Mario Maker. It's Puppy the Pugster, aka the Pugster, and remember last video when we did the 10 Mario challenge? Yeah, well in this video we're going to be going on the course world and doing the 100 Mario challenge. Now, I don't know if I could complete this in one episode. Oh, 100 episode, 100 Mario challenge means you've got 100 lives. I thought it meant there's 100 levels. Sheesh. Oh, that's easy. Normal. Let's go on easy. New game. If you play a course created by another user, other people will be able to get to see that you are playing this course, and the course creator will receive a notification. You can switch off the notification to... okay, whatever. Let's go. So, seems... oh, Peach is in trouble. Wow, again. Again. I'm gonna get sick of helping her for one time. How many times will she get captured? Okay, the jungle. Let's go. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, give me this. Jump down here. Oh god. Oh yes! I can climb. Wait, can I climb thin air? Like I just did 1 second ago. Yeah. Look! I'm not even holding on to anything. Okay. Let's go jump up here. Give me... wow. And jump here. Why do they have them there? Like, look. They can't hurt me. Haha. And jump up here, here. There's a lot of coins in this level. A lot of coins. I like it. And jump up. No. Okay. Knock this guy out the way. And go like that. Fire flower. Wall jump. I hate wall jumping. Oh. 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 Yeah. Come on. Yeah. And jump up here. Get him out the way. Get him angry, but honestly, I don't care. Ah, no, no, get away from it. Wow. GG. Oh, get away. And we'll go here. I see you. Okay. How am I supposed to get back up? Oh. Oh. Yes. No, get away. How do I fire? Oh, whoa. Fire. Harder. Oh. Let me kill this. Move. I want to kill it. Oh. No, get away. You idiot. Why would you do that? You're so mean. You're so mean. Jump over here. Go like Tarzan. Oh god. Hello. Hello, Mr. Devil Eyes. Oh god. And go up here. Sheesh, there is a lot of thingies in this level. Oh god. Get away from me. Oh my god. Oh, why are you so vicious? Why are you so vicious? Ouch. No. Oh, there's a fat one. No! You know what? I had the stupidest brain ever, and my brain just said to me, oh, wait. It's okay. You can stay there. The other guy can't turn round. Of course, everyone can turn round. Oh my god. What were you thinking, brain? And okay, try this quickly. No, where we're going. Wow. No. Yeah. Okay, get the fire flower. Now that I know how to use it and maybe use... Whoa, that looks cool. I'm gonna leave it like that. That's cool. Jump on the vine like Tarzan. There we go. Get away. What? That's so unfair. Why does he get to shoot fireballs but not me? No. Oh, so close. I'm gonna die here. Oh yes, I didn't. I'm gonna die here though. Wow, I actually thought I was gonna... Are you kidding me? Seriously? Is this a joke? Really? Did that really just happen? Get away. You're evil. What the fuck up? Okay. I'm not gonna go up there. Seems to be quite dangerous up there. That was just coins. Don't need to go up there. And don't need that. I don't really need coins. This is the bit where I struggle. GG, GG. Oh, yes! I saw the flag. I just accidentally jumped off. I was right at the flag. I'm so annoyed at myself. I'm just gonna... I don't care about the power-ups, I'm just gonna run. Jump, jump. No! Stop it! You meanie pants. Don't want the fire thingy because I'm just gonna lose it straight away. And that's a fact. Oh, I did not realise that took out a guy. Ah, so concentrated. Wait. Oh, if he comes back. Wait, can I take this guy out? Yes! I did not think that would work. Now I've got full hearts, or whatever you want to call them. Full health. I don't care. I don't care. No, why would you do that? Run. Run. I'm going to fail now that I don't have power up. Well, not power up, but I'm just going to keep that like that. And jump up here. If there's a shell in there, I can't remember if there was. I have a very bad memory. No, there's not. Wow. There's not one in there. I know that as a fact, and I only have one hat. No! Ooh, this is really hard. This is really hard. If the course is too difficult, you can pass by touching... Nah, gonna have one more go. I can't pass. I said to myself, I'm not gonna get any power-ups, just gonna run. Just gonna try do this. Oh. Okay, I need this power-up, otherwise I'm dead. No, stop it. Oh, wait. Yoshi! There's Yoshi. Move. I don't care. I don't care about you. I just want Yoshi. Where's Yoshi? How do I get up there? I want Yoshi. Can't get Yoshi. That's the people who can fly. Now I can't believe I actually just did that. And I can't believe I just did that. And I'm gonna fail. And I'm just gonna jump down here. I need this power up. Yeah. Oh, okay. Wait, I just realised all this time I've been jumping this way. That bit's the harder way. And it's the longer way as well. Just jump. Wow. Wait. Now I have the fire flower. Yes. Okay. I've just realised how easy this will be. I say easy, but it's not going to be easy anyway. I call hacks. Wow. Did I really just do that? I just did that, didn't I? Don't jump off. I don't care where I get. I just want to land on it. Yes! Wow. That's 1 out of 8 levels out of the way. Yeah, I don't know what to say right now. The jungle. Yeah, it was a pretty good map, mate. I'll star you. Star you. Yeah, starred. You'll get to star the first online map, I think. Because if you go on sample world, whoa. If you go on sample worlds, all the maps that I played last video were there. Oh my god. Is that the way I'm supposed to go? Oh my god. Oh wait, I know how to do it. I've learned how to do it. Okay. Should I distract them? So they were looking that way. Yeah. Is that it? Wow. That was a bit short. Good though. But not good enough to get a star. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Ali. Not good enough. Yeah, so if you go on sample worlds, when I click load, all the worlds that I played last video were there. So I think there's all the computers worlds. So these are the first ever online levels I played. Nope. Wow. I'm so glad Mario doesn't take fall damage. And then that can kill all them. Yay! Yeah, I got all the 1-ups. I'm scared for it coming back. Stop spawning! No. GG. Oh god, they do come back! No! Run. It's raining mushrooms! Oh! No. Are you joking? Wow. Come on, guys, kill me. Well, not kill me, but hurt me. Ouch. No, don't hurt me anymore. This is fine. Yeah. And run across here. Oh, that's so annoying. Why would you do that? Did I really just miss that? Oh, never mind. I got all of the 1-ups there just from killing the Koopa Troopas. Sorry. And I'm halfway there. And I got 100 lives. Wait, wouldn't that then? Why is that slot missing? Can I go in here? Yeah. How'd you do that? How'd you make it do that? I chose this door. Oh! And I think I was wrong. Yep, was wrong. I chose this door. What? Oh, okay. I thought they were both wrong, and I was like, why this can't be? No! That took me ages to realise I was being shot at. Oh, that's funny. Peach's Castle. Yeah, that was good, but again, not good enough to get a star. That was the second best so far. Whoa, what? Wait. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know what this says. There's a cat paw. Oh, okay. Whoa. Why am I being punched by a cat? Get away. Oh, God. Haha. Stop punching me, cat. Now that was cool. Whoa. Whoa, what in the world? Yay. Oh, oh, oh. Oh God, no. I didn't realize these fell. Don't care. Whoa. No, that's good. That's getting a star. A big fat star. Yeah. Come on. Course clear. Star. Star. Yeah. Okay. Brutally murder Yoshi. I don't want to murder Yoshi. I don't want to murder Yoshi. What in the world? No, I don't want to murder Yoshi. Let me through. Okay. Anything else? That's a bit simple. Now, brutally murder Yoshi. That's not very nice. It wasn't that brutal, but you still murdered him. Well, you made me murder him. T. T. Don't know what that says. Don't know what that says. Don't know what that says. Can't finish. What? No way. Are you... Yeah. Oh! 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 Run! 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 GG! Oh, so the last one where there was a ding dong, I could have jumped up with the music on. Yeah, that was good, but I'm only doing starring certain ones that were really, really, really good and that I really, really enjoy, because then the other ones aren't as special. So, oh my God. Not clicking anything. What? 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 Oh. Oh. No. Okay, go. Run to the left, run to the left. Oh. Oh. You have to... Oh, I thought you could stand on invisible blocks. Turns out no. No, it's back there. Oh, you're supposed to jump there? I don't get this. I'm doing it anyway. Now I actually need the spring. Spring me. No. No, I don't get it. Help me. Okay, we're gonna finish this, guys. And shut up. Shut up, timer. Shut up. We're gonna just finish this level and then that will have to be it for this video. Now. Quickly. No. Run. Oh, don't hurt me. I'm just an innocent little man. What? What? There's a time limit? I've never seen a time limit. Oh wait, 20-second jump. I don't get this. 20-second jump. So we have 20 seconds. And then we need to get there in time. Run! No! It's a burn. I don't get this. Come on. You sprang me the wrong way. No. No! Come back! Can I walk? Nope. They hack. The Koopas hack. Found out, new secret. No! I touched it! I don't get it! 20-second jump. Sprint, 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 sprint! What? Okay, guys. I'm officially stuck. As a band, I don't get this level. Okay. I jumped on its head. What? What? Oh wait. Wow, I just got it. I think I just got it. Yes, if they get rid of that, and then I avoid all these. Jeez Louise, and I don't know how to do that. Guys, I'm gonna be back once I've completed this madness. Well guys, I did it! Oh, that's so hard. Basically, once you finish that jump, you have about 3 seconds to get there. Oh, that's torture. Why would you put me through that? Okay, we've done it. Whoop! We saved Princess Peach. Oh no. Don't say again. Oh wow. You've got to be kidding me. Oh wow. Toad! You're so mean. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do leave a like. I'm going to be back on Thursday with another episode of Super Mario Maker. To be continued. See you then. Bye.